In January 2025, during the Iranian military exercise Eqtedar 1403, Iran unveiled a new milestone in its air defense capabilities, the Tondar mobile air defense missile system. This advanced system is designed to intercept and destroy aerial threats at high altitudes, making it a critical addition to Iran's growing defense arsenal. Its unveiling comes at a time of rising tensions with Israel, a country Iran views as a major adversary, especially concerning Iran's nuclear program and regional ambitions. The Tondar missile system is engineered to protect key assets from low-flying threats, such as small aircraft, cruise missiles and precision-guided munitions. Its short-range capabilities allow for rapid deployment, ensuring the protection of military installations, airfields, and other strategic sites from fast-moving threats at low altitudes, which are often hard to detect and intercept using conventional air defense systems. This new system highlights Iran's broader strategy to reduce dependence on foreign technology. International sanctions, particularly from the United States, have severely limited Iran's access to advanced foreign military equipment. In response, Iran has significantly ramped up the development of its own defense systems, including the Tondar, which now joins other indigenous technologies like the Bavark 373, a rival to Russia's S-300, and the Eqtedar 15, a versatile mobile air defense platform. The Tondar system is a direct response to the growing threat posed by Israel's Air Force, one of the most advanced in the world. Israel's ability to launch precise, high-tech airstrikes has long been a concern for Iran, particularly in relation to military and nuclear facilities. By deploying systems like the Tondar, Iran aims to shield its key infrastructure from Israeli airstrikes, which could target military bases, nuclear facilities, or other vital sites. Equipped with advanced radar and guidance systems, the Tondar is capable of tracking and engaging multiple targets simultaneously, offering a rapid response to evolving threats. Though specific details on its range and guidance capabilities remain unclear, it is expected that the system integrates technology developed by Iran's domestic defense industry, with an emphasis on adaptability and flexibility in high-pressure combat scenarios. Iran's focus on developing its own defense technologies such as the Tondar is critical to its national security strategy. The long-standing sanctions have forced Iran to build a robust indigenous military industry, producing ballistic missiles, drones, and now cutting-edge air defense systems. This self-reliance is not just about defense but also about asserting Iran's technological strength in the face of external pressure. The Tondar system fits into Iran's broader multi-layered defense approach, which includes missile defense, cyber warfare capabilities, and asymmetric strategies, like supporting proxy forces across the region. Together, these elements form a comprehensive defense network designed to counter a wide range of threats, from conventional airstrikes to cyber attacks and missile strikes. As tensions with Israel continue to escalate, particularly regarding Iran's nuclear ambitions, the importance of the Tondar system cannot be overstated. Its mobility and rapid deployment capabilities make it a crucial tool for defending key infrastructure from potential air attacks. Iran's continued push for self-reliance in military technology will remain a central part of its defense strategy in the coming years as it faces an increasingly challenging geopolitical environment. Despite the progress made with systems like the Tondar, challenges remain. Ongoing sanctions will continue to limit Iran's access to some advanced technologies, but the country's defense industry has shown remarkable resilience in overcoming these barriers. As regional security dynamics evolve, Iran's ability to develop and deploy advanced air defense systems like the Tondar will be critical in safeguarding its sovereignty and maintaining a credible deterrent against external military threats.